By the end of this video, you will know how to add a hard cost in Clio Manage. Start from your Clio Manage account homepage. In the left-hand navigation menu, click Activities. This opens the area where time, expenses, and related billing activity are managed. Once you are in Activities, open the Expenses section so you can view the list of existing expense entries and access the controls for adding a new one. To create the hard cost entry, click New Expense Entry. If you do not see that option in the current view, you can also use the Create New button at the top of the screen and then select Expense Entry from that menu. Both paths take you to the same expense entry form, so you can use whichever one is available in your layout. In the expense form, begin by selecting the matter the hard cost belongs to. This links the expense to the correct client file, so make sure the matter you choose matches the cost you are recording. After that, enter the date the expense was incurred. Use the actual date the payment was made or the cost was charged based on the information you are recording for the file. Next, choose the appropriate expense category for the hard cost. The category should reflect the type of expense being added. This helps keep expenses organized and makes billing records clearer when the charge appears later with the matter. Once the category is selected, enter the amount that was paid. Record the full amount of the cost in the amount field so the entry reflects the payment accurately. Now add a description of the expense. This should identify what the cost was for, such as a filing fee, court fee, or another expense paid on behalf of the client. Keep the description specific enough that it is clear when reviewed later in the matter or included in billing. If the cost should be passed on to the client, mark the expense as billable. This is the setting that determines whether the hard cost can be included in the client's billing. If the expense is not meant to be charged back, leave it unmarked. Before saving, review all of the information you entered, including the matter, date, category, amount, description, and billable status. This final check helps confirm that the expense will appear correctly in the file and on billing records if needed. When everything looks correct, click Save Entry. Clio Manage will add the hard cost as an expense associated with the selected matter. From there, it remains attached to that file and can be included in the client's billing when appropriate. Thanks for watching. The hard cost is now saved as an expense entry under the selected matter and available for billing.